An ordinary day in northern Sudan. Tahani Omar Ali and her daughters are taking care of household chores. Tahani's expression is serene, but it belies a life marked by pain.
I
remember the day of my circumcision very well indeed. I was 5 years old and it was a painful day. I stayed in bed for 15 days, after which it healed, but for the rest of my life I suffered. I suffer in my daily life.
Female genital cutting is widespread in this sparsely populated and conservative region. The roots of the practice are tangled deep in Sudan's social and religious traditions and wrapped in the concepts of female honour. The word to describe an uncut girl is a word of shame. But UNICEF and the European Commission are working with the Sudanese to develop a new way of thinking about girls who have not been cut. The program is based on one very carefully chosen word, Saleema.
Saleema in itself is an Arabic word which means complete, intact, whole, as God created.
The Saleema campaign encourages conversation about human rights between families, neighbours and communities. The conversation often begins in a non-formal classroom where women and girls meet regularly to discuss their health.
I convince them by approaching them little by little, not abruptly. I use proper logic, gaining their friendship. I use booklets and posters and seminars too.
In a country as large as Sudan, mass media is essential to broadcast the positive message of Saleema. But if the materials are modern, their dissemination is age-old, using community forums and theatre, song and dance. In this way, the message is transmitted from community to community. Wearing a traditional scarf in the Saleema colours can start a conversation. The scarves for men and women have been distributed in more than 15 states, and more than 200 communities have adopted the campaign.
We designed these colors as Saleema slogans, and these colors means that everybody who wears this, that means he is Saleema, and he is supporting abandoning FGM. This will lead to what? To a very wide dialogue in the community.
Also joining the dialogue are more than 100 religious leaders.
There is a growing human rights movement in the country. There are many conservative and reactionary who try to speak about human rights as a cultural imperialism from outside. We have done exactly the opposite, to say that Islam is the greatest bastion supporter of human rights.
European Commission support helps to get Saleema to the widest possible audience.
The European Commission is one of the direct donors and major donors of this project, and with support to UNICEF, UNICEF has managed to scale up the project on abandoning FGM during the last 2 years.
That support leads to ceremonies where communities publicly celebrate their decision to stop cutting and declare that it's in everybody's best interests.
The campaign is targeting the communities. The abandoning of FGM should not be as a personal act. It should be as the act for the whole community.
Saleema has encouraged couples like Tahani Omar Ali and her husband to jointly decide what is best for their daughters.
When I came across this program, Saleema, I consulted my wife. We were ready and prepared to respond to this program. A girl is born Saleema, so leave her Saleema.
In reaching this decision, Tahani and Abdul have not only given their children lives free from the debilitating medical and psychological consequences of genital cutting, they've opened the door to a more prosperous future in which all of Sudan's daughters can reach their full human potential.